My dear students, നമുക്ക് ബേസിക് കൺസെപ്റ്റ് ഉറപ്പിക്കാനുള്ള ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ് ഉള്ളത്. എങ്കിൽ മാത്രമേ നമുക്ക് അഡ്വാൻസ്ഡ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള പ്രോബ്ലംസ് പിന്നീട് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റത്തുള്ളൂ. ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ നമ്പർ 1, range of sin inverse x. You know, sin inverse x, domain means x values. Domain of sin inverse x is -1 to 1. Then range, output values minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Should remember, domain of sin inverse x is from -1 to 1. A range of sin inverse x is from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Therefore, the correct choice is minus pi by 2, pi by 2. You know, maximum value of sin inverse x is pi by 2. Maximum value of sin inverse y is also pi by 2. Maximum value of sin inverse z is also pi by 2. Hence, x is equal to sin pi by 2 is equal to 1. Y is equal to sin pi by 2, which is also equal to 1. Z is equal to sin pi by 2, also 1. Hence, x raised to 100 plus y raised to 100 plus z raised to 100 equals 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. Correct choice is 3. Domain of sin inverse 2x. Domain of sin inverse x is -1 less than equal to less than x equal to less than 1. Then domain of sin inverse 2x is -1 equal to less than 2x equal to less than 1. Dividing by 2, we get -1 by 2 equal to less than x less equal to less than 1 by 2. Hence, domain of sin inverse 2x is -1 by 2, 1 by 2. C choice correct. Domain of the function sin inverse x plus cos inverse x. You know, domain of sin inverse x is -1 and 1, -1 to 1. And domain of cos x is set of all real numbers. Then domain of sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is -1 comma 1 intersection set of real numbers, which is equal to -1 comma 1. The correct choice is A choice. The value of sin inverse 0.6. You know, inverse trigonometric functions are angles. Therefore, we can take sin inverse 0.6 as theta. Then sin theta is equal to 0.6. Sin theta is equal to 6 by 10, which is equal to 3 by 5. Then the expression becomes sin 2 theta, which is equal to 2 sin theta into cos theta. From the figure, the value of sin theta is 3 by 5 and this one is base is 4. Therefore, 2 into 3 by 5 into 4 by 5, which gives B choice. The value of the expression sin of cot inverse cos tan inverse 1. The value of the expression cot inverse sin of cot inverse cos tan inverse 1. Sin of cot inverse cos tan inverse 1 is pi by 4. That is sin of cot inverse cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. We can take cot inverse 1 by root 2 theta. Then cot theta is equal to 1 by root 2. Cot theta is adjacent side by opposite side. Therefore, hypotenuse is root of 2 square plus 1, 3. Then this is equal to sin theta. Sin theta equals 1 by root 3. The correct choice is C. Look, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to 2 pi by 3. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y can be written as pi by 2 plus pi by 2 minus pi by 3. Pi by 2 plus pi by 2, pi minus pi by 3, 2 pi by 3. What we know, tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Therefore, tan inverse x is equal to pi by 2 minus cot inverse x plus tan inverse y is also pi by 2 minus cot inverse y is equal to pi by 2 plus pi by 2 minus pi by 3. Therefore, the correct choice is D choice. Pi by 2 on both sides will get cancelled. Minus cot inverse x is equal to minus pi by 3. Therefore, cot inverse x is equal to pi by 3. You know, sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. And sin inverse y plus cos inverse y is equal to pi by 2. Therefore, pi by 2 minus cos inverse x plus pi by 2 minus cos inverse y equals pi by 2. Then cos inverse x plus cos inverse y is equal to pi by 2 on both sides will get cancelled. This is equal to pi by 2. The answer is pi by 2, A choice. Tan inverse x plus 2 cot inverse x is equal to 2 pi by 3. That is tan inverse x plus cot inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to 2 pi by 3. You know, tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Therefore, pi by 2 plus cot inverse x is equal to 2 pi by 3. Hence, cot inverse x is equal to 2 pi by 3 minus pi by 2, which is equal to, taking 6x LCM, 4 pi minus 3 pi is equal to pi by 6. Cot inverse x is equal to pi by 6. Therefore, x is equal to cot pi by 6. Cot 30 degree. Cot 30 degree is equal to root 3. Correct choice, B choice. We are given sin inverse x equals pi by 6 plus cos inverse x. Adding cos inverse x on both sides, we get sin inverse x plus sin inverse x equals pi by 6 plus cos inverse x plus sin inverse x. Cos inverse x plus sin inverse x is pi by 2. Therefore, 2 sin inverse x is equal to pi by 2, pi by 6 plus pi by 2. Then the correct answer is root 3 by 2. Cot inverse cot minus 9 pi by 4. Cot inverse, you know, cot minus theta minus cot theta minus cot 9 pi by 4. And cot inverse minus x is equal to pi minus cot inverse x, cot inverse cot 9 pi by 4. And pi minus cot inverse cot 2 pi plus pi by 4. That is pi minus pi by 4, which gives 3 pi by 4. The correct choice B. Cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2 minus tan inverse 8. Therefore, x is equal to cot pi by 2 minus tan inverse 8. You know, cot pi by 2 minus theta is equal to tan theta. Therefore, this is equal to tan inverse tan pi by 8. Tan inverse tan theta is equal to theta. Therefore, the correct answer is 8. A choice. The principal value of cosecant inverse x. You know, reciprocal relation cosecant inverse x is equal to sin inverse 1 by x. Therefore, the given expression is sin inverse 1 by 2. And sin inverse 1 by 2 is sin inverse sin pi by 6. Therefore, the correct sin inverse sin theta is theta, then sin inverse sin pi by 6 is pi by 6. Correct answer is pi by 6. Tan inverse cos x minus sin x by cos x plus sin x. This is same as tan inverse dividing both numerator and denominator with cos x. We get cos x by cos x minus sin x by cos x, the whole divided by cos x by cos x plus sin x by cos x. That is tan inverse 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x, which can be written as tan inverse tan pi by 4 minus tan x divided by 1 plus tan pi by 4 into tan x. That is tan inverse tan pi by 4 minus x. The correct answer is pi by 4 minus x. Cos inverse cos 7 pi by 4 can be written as cos inverse cos 2 pi minus pi by 4. That is cos inverse cos minus pi by 4. You know cos minus theta is cos theta. Therefore, this is equal to cos inverse cos pi by 4 equals pi by 4. The correct answer is D choice. Inverse functions are angles. Therefore, we can take cot inverse 7 by 24 as theta. Then cot theta is equal to 7 by 24. Bring it to a right triangle. We get cot theta is equal to adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. You can find hypotenuse. Then the given expression is cos theta. Correct choice is cos theta is equal to, simplify, we get correct choice C choice. Hypotenuse 27, root of 24 square plus 7 square is equal to 27, which gives cos theta is equal to 7 by 27. The correct choice is C choice. Sin of sin inverse x plus sin inverse x plus cos inverse x. Now sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is pi by 2. Therefore, this is equal to sin of pi by 2 plus sin inverse x sin 90 plus theta cos theta. Therefore, this is equal to cos of sin inverse x. We can take sin inverse x as theta. Therefore, this is equal to cos theta. If sin inverse x is equal to theta, then x is equal to sin theta. When x is equal to sin theta is opposite by hypotenuse. Therefore, adjacent side is root of 1 minus x square. Therefore, cos theta is equal to root of 1 minus x square. The correct choice is A choice. Then tan inverse 2 plus tan inverse 3. What is tan inverse x plus tan inverse y? Tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy. The condition is if xy less than 1. If xy greater than 1, 5 plus tan inverse x plus tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus y. xy. X is equal to 2, y is equal to 3, xy 6 greater than 1. Therefore, this is equal to tan inverse 2 plus tan inverse 3 equals 5 plus tan inverse 2 plus 6. 2 plus 3 by 1 minus 2 into 3 6. That is 5 plus tan inverse minus 1. Tan inverse minus 1 is minus tan inverse 1, which is equal to minus pi by 4. Therefore, this is equal to pi minus pi by 4. Pi minus pi by 4 is equal to 3 pi by 4. Therefore, the correct choice is D. We are given tan inverse 2 and tan inverse 3 are the angles of a triangle, two angles of a triangle. We know sum of 3 angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Therefore, we can write, let x be the third angle. Then tan inverse 2 plus tan inverse 3 plus x is equal to pi. As done in the last question, tan inverse plus tan inverse 3 is equal to 3 pi by 4 plus x plus pi. Therefore, x is equal to pi minus 3 pi by 4. Answer is pi by 4. cot of tan inverse A plus cot inverse A. You know, tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2. That is tan inverse something plus cot inverse, the same thing is equal to pi by 2. Therefore, the expression can be written as cot pi by 2. You know, cot pi by 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, the correct choice is B choice, 0. We did 20 questions on inverse trigonometrical functions. All the questions are basic concept questions. I think you can follow it.